Description: Nioxin System 2 delivers thicker, fuller hair, while protecting every hair strand against damage. Award: Behind the Chair Stylist Choice winner, Favorite Thinning Haircare, 16 consecutive years. Benefits: Strengthens hair resilience against damage and breakage while providing hair control moisture balance. The three-step system includes Scalp Shampoo, removes dirt and sebum, Scalp Conditioner, provides hair strength, Scalp Hair Treatment, increases the volume of each hair strand. Clinically proven to reduce hair fall by up to 91%, due to breakage. 85% of customers who tried the system kits noticed a thickening effect. Dermatologically tested. Versus non-conditioning shampoo based on a survey among 230 U.S. panelists concerned about thinning hair conducted by SIRS, 2016. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful. This was the real thing. Nioxin number 2 for progressed thinning hair. Watch carefully. Many products offered by Amazon aren't the real number 2. I was so sorry to find I couldn't click buy again. Now I'll have to spend a great deal of time and reading to see if I can find a real Nioxin number 2 again. As my hair looks so much better and less hair loss with the real number 2 over other Nioxin products.